What's up, Zoomauto fam? Today, we've got something that'll blow your mind. Forget boring RVs and boxy campers, because Ferrari has just rewritten the rulebook. Say hello to the 2026 Ferrari Motor Home. Yeah, you heard me right, a Ferrari Motor Home. It's got the speed, the design, the luxury, and the madness you'd expect from Maranello, all fused into one futuristic beast on wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling supercar mansion. So let's dive in and break it down. Design, interior, performance, price, and why this might be the craziest Ferrari ever built. Buckle up. Exterior, sci-fi meets racetrack. The first time you see it, you'll probably say, wait, is that a motorhome or a spaceship? The front end is aggressively sculpted with razor-sharp body lines, and that full glass cockpit wraps around like the canopy of a fighter jet. Every line on this body has a purpose. It's all about reducing drag and keeping this massive machine stable at high speeds. Of course, the Ferrari prancing horse badge and Italian stripes proudly remind you of its DNA. The matte pearl white finish, accented with Ferrari red and black, makes the whole thing look exotic and menacing at the same time. Now check this out. 6 ultra-low profile wheels with carbon fiber Ferrari rims. Yes, 6 wheels. And at the back, a dual exhaust integrated into the lower body gives off pure race vibes. This isn't just another luxury RV, this thing looks like it's ready to line up on a Formula One grid. Interior, Ferrari luxury meets smart living. Step inside, and you instantly realize this isn't your average motorhome. The cockpit, exactly what you'd expect from Ferrari. Leather-wrapped racing seats, flat-bottom steering wheel, a digital HUD, and a control layout that feels like you're in an F1 simulator. Move into the main living area, and it's a whole new world. Ferrari went all out with Alcantara, carbon fiber, and ambient LED lighting. The lounge features modular seating that transforms into a dining or sleeping setup. Oh, and retractable OLED screens paired with a premium surround sound system. This is basically a rolling Ferrari theater. The kitchen? Top-tier Italian appliances, including an induction cooktop, espresso machine, of course, and even a wine chiller. Because what's a Ferrari without some Italian flair? At the back, a private suite offers a queen-size memory foam bed, skylight views, and automatic mood lighting. And yes, the bathroom is just as extra. A Ferrari-branded smart bathroom with a walk-in shower, temperature memory, and touch-controlled glass. It's luxury camping, Ferrari style. Performance. Yes, it's fast. Now let's talk about the part you've all been waiting for. Performance. Because Ferrari didn't just make this thing look fast, it is fast. Underneath, you've got a twin-turbocharged V12 hybrid powertrain pumping out over 1,000 horsepower. That's right, a motorhome with 4 digits of power. Combined with Ferrari's signature all-wheel drive system, this beast accelerates like a supercar while carrying your living room on its back. Adaptive air suspension keeps the ride smooth, active aerodynamics keep it stable, and regenerative braking helps with efficiency. Whether you're carving mountain roads or cruising down highways, this thing handles like no other RV on Earth. Driving aids like adaptive cruise, lane keeping assist, and auto braking are standard, so even long trips feel easy. But let's be real, with over 1,000 horses, you'll want to be behind the wheel as much as possible. Price. Only for the bold. Money. You know Ferrari doesn't come cheap, and this motorhome is no exception. Starting around $3.5 million and climbing past $5 million with customizations, this is a toy for the ultra-wealthy. But think about it, you're not just buying a motorhome, you're buying a Ferrari mansion on wheels. The craftsmanship, performance, and technology here put it in a league of its own. For those who can afford it, the price tag matches the exclusivity. So, what do we have here? The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is a complete redefinition of what a motorhome can be. It's bold, it's luxurious, it's insanely fast, and it proves that Ferrari can inject soul and speed into literally anything. This isn't for everyone. Most people will never see one, let alone own one. But for the lucky few, it's the ultimate blend of track-bred performance and 5-star living. So, Zoom Auto fam, what do you think? Has Ferrari gone genius or gone crazy with this one? Would you take a Ferrari motorhome over a private jet? Or is this just flexing on another level? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. That wraps up today's breakdown. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Zoom Auto, and ring the bell so you don't miss more insane reviews like this. Until next time, stay fast, stay passionate, and keep dreaming big. Peace.